Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today, I don't know why, but I have some makeup brushes. I have no idea, or makeup pads or something. I have no idea what these things are even supposed to do, but I'm going to take a look at these and see what they are. Got sent these, and I'm not sure much about them. I'll show it to Veronica and see if she has any interest, but these are Pimoys 6 pieces powder puff beauty makeup something or other. So let's see. So you get this little black little puffy pad, and it's like a velvet looking pad, and I guess you put your fingers on there or something like that, so you can use it to wipe your makeup somehow. And it comes with, I guess, 3 black ones and 3 white ones. So if you have dark makeup and stuff, I guess it's kind of cool. I guess if you do that stuff, it gives you a little place to stick your finger and hold it if that's what you do, or hang it up. But it's like a little cushy pad. I bet the dogs would probably eat this thing up. But that's what it is. You get 6 of these. They're very soft. But that's about all I know about them. So I don't know. But I guess they're okay by me. So, I mean, they're not falling apart. So thumbs up, I guess. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.